Good morning, student. I'm Dr. Madhurima Bhaumik. Let us discuss today about stem cell and regenerative medicine. Okay, so we'll have an overview about stem cell and regenerative medicine. So basically, stem cell is forming a core for this regenerative medicine. So regenerative medicine, it is a field that focuses on replacing, regenerating, repairing, damaged tissue or organ so that it can restore its normal function. Okay. So, regenerative medicine is a branch of medical science. Okay. And if you say stem cell therapy, it is an approach. If you consider regenerative medicine as a broad field, stem cell therapy is a tool or an approach for treatment of the disease by using the stem cell so that it can be replacing the damaged cell or organ. So basically, what are stem cells? Stem cells are the cells that have the ability to divide into any type of cell. Okay. That means stem cell can divide into a blood cell, it can divide into nerve cell, muscle cell, cardiac cell, any type of cell according to the requirement. So this is promising, isn't it? This is promising because it can be used in future and extensive researches are going on so that stem cell therapy can be applied for treatment of numerous diseases, including genetic disorder. Okay. So, what are the different types of stem cell? Let us study about that. Okay. One is embryonic stem cell. You know about the embryo, right? The sperm fertilizes egg. It will form zygote, isn't it? And there will be cell division and redivision ultimately leads to the formation of the embryo. So here, after 3 to 7 days, of embryo formation, it will divide and ultimately you'll get a mass of cell. Okay, so this is the outer mass of cell. Like this, you can draw it. Okay, and inside also you get the cells. Okay, you have to draw and complete the whole to show the inner mass of the cell. So basically the outer mass of cell, this one, isn't it? Outer mass of cell contains or it will become a part of the placenta. And this inner mass of cell it is forming the human body. Right? Inner mass of cell forms the human body. So in this inner mass of cell only we will get the stem cell. Okay? What is the second type of stem cell? Adult stem cell. Adults are having the stem cell throughout the life. Okay? So if you consider in the gut, in the gut and bone marrow, the stem cells are continuously dividing so that it can form new body tissue. Okay? So we can find the stem cells in the brain, blood vessels, skeletal muscles, skin, okay, liver. Stem cells are found. Okay? Now, the third type of stem cells, mesenchymal stem cell. Okay? Mesenchymal stem cells, it comes from bone marrow or the connective tissue, adipose tissue, umbilical cord, okay? And the last one to discuss is the induced pluripotent stem cell. So these stem cells are basically produced in the laboratory by the scientist by taking the cells from the skin. Okay. So let us see the stem cell. So here you can see the stem cell, right? And as I told, it is dividing into any type of cell according to the requirements. So you can see neuron, epithelial cell, red blood cell, okay, cardiac cell, and this is the blastocyst, okay. The outer cell mass contains the means it forms the placenta and the inner cell mass into human body. Here you can see the stem cell, okay. So also you can see the different types of the as we have discussed the different types of stem cells, that also we can have a look the different types of stem cell. Yes, so these are the embryonic stem cells. Okay, so here you can see inside, I told inside the inner cell mass, it is the stem cells are there. Okay, then the mesenchymal stem cell, adult stem cell, and here you see the induced pluripotent stem cells that is produced or developed in the lab for treatment of disease. Okay, so basically this stem cell are having a promising future, right? These stem cells can be used for treatment of the diseases because of two properties. Which are the two property? One is self-renewal property. Another is differentiation. Okay. So this is a small overview of the stem cell and the regenerative medicine. We'll study in details about this in our next class. Thank you and Have a nice day.